What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and welcome back to part 2 of my Dollar Tree haul. You guys, this next item retails for $14.99. I couldn't believe it when I saw it in there. This is a daily desktop calendar, otherwise known as a page-a-day calendar. It's called The World in Numbers. And if you guys really are into numbers or into math or into statistics or just learning a little fact a day, I think you guys will really like this. This would make a really nice gift or a little surprise gift to someone that likes to be organized or likes facts. Another good thing about this usually is that when you turn it over, it's blank on the other side, so then you have a nice stack of scratch paper. But I was really surprised to see that at Dollar Tree. I want to show you guys some new stickers, and I might have this one, but I'm not sure, you guys. I think it was so cute, and I just wanted to get it. I love it so much. Look at this little one popping out of the popcorn box. They are so tiny and cute. I love them so much. They're so adorable. They have some amazing stickers, you guys. So we have that one. And I love these little Arctic ones here. They really make me smile. They're so cute. I love the bears. And the penguins. They're so cute. And they feel kind of puffy too. And then we have some cats. These are by Sonia J. They have sort of a vintage feel to them, and they're very well done. They're really, really nice stickers, you guys. You will not be disappointed. And then we have this set titled Keep Calm and Love Cats. So cute. All the flowers and butterflies. And now we have even more cats. Cats and dogs. Let me see. I think there's maybe a couple dogs in there. These itsy bitsy ones are so cute. You guys head over to uli.com if you want to see their very nice sticker collection. If you love stickers, if you love decorating your planner with stickers, then you guys definitely want to check these out, because chances are you have not seen these stickers anywhere else. I know I haven't. We have the seals, and I love the little light blue one. Aww. Seals. These are specifically for your planner, and the majority of these are weather stickers. We have rain clouds and umbrellas, lightning, snowmen, hearts, stars, the days of the week, little pencils. This says go-go trip. I really love the pinks and blues and how they've given some of the characters little cute blushing cheeks. I think that looks really nice. We have fish and sharks, sea turtles, walruses. I love them. They have a lot more stickers than what I'm showing here. They have a lot to choose from. These ones look so stretchy, like the arms are extra long, or the necks are extra long, or they're like extra bendy. I really like these. Look at this bunny with the big jumbo ears. I got this little football for Gator. It's not the squishy one, it's just the regular foam one. Okay, I have some empties. This is an empty, these Buddy bars. Also, I have this gum that I opened. I got that up by the register. Once again, I got more gum. And with Valentine's Day passing, I have some other empties to share with you guys, because I put together some cute little felt envelopes that I got at Target's Dollar Spot, and I filled up different little candy bags, and I gave my kids an assortment of candy for Valentine's Day. So one thing they got was some belly flops. I couldn't actually find real jelly beans at Dollar Tree, so these came from Family Dollar. Bunny was requesting jelly beans. I think I bought 3 packs of these, and I spread that out amongst the whole family. And I got 1 pack of Twix, some extreme sour now and laters. Some of these I bought on my recent trips, and some of these other ones I think I might have purchased like a month ago or so. So if I'm re-showing you some of these things, I'm sorry. I bought 2 bags of these. These are the sweet and sour reds. I just used 1 bag. And last but not least, there's not much left to it, but I got a pack of extra in bubblegum flavor, and each of my kids got a little pack of gum, and Gator really loved having his own little pack of gum. So you guys, that's it for my Dollar Tree haul, but if you guys want to stick around for just a few minutes longer, I have some other cute little things to share with you guys. This first item I found at Walmart. It was $3, normally $4.97, and I think it's just so cute. I really love these canvas bags. You guys have seen my cactus ones probably on a few different occasions, but I really like this one too. I think it's so cute. I'm not sure how many of you have a Kohl's in your area, but my Kohl's sent me a free $8 gift card because it was like my 8th anniversary of having a credit card with them. So I went in and basically got this for free. This is just a little power bank that looks like an old school cassette tape, and it says mixtape on it. And it was normally 20 bucks, which nowadays I would never pay $20 for a power bank. I mean, you can get them at Target for 5 bucks. You can get them everywhere pretty much for 5 bucks. But when I am filming on the go and I'm, you know, an hour away from home and I'm filming for you guys and going live, I like to have my stash. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. I love that it came with a little USB charging cable because oftentimes they don't. I forgot to show you guys this basket I got at Dollar Tree. It's a cute little rectangular basket in white, and I love getting their white baskets. Next, you guys, I have some Target items that I found at my local Goodwill, and I felt like I really didn't have enough of them to do a haul. But these were in the 3 for 99-cent bins, and these are the cute little scented page clips in Tutti Frutti, and I think these were originally like $3 or more. They're so cute, and they're magnetic bookmarks, perfect for our planners or our notebooks. I think they're so adorable and kawaii. I love them. And the last thing I found, you guys, I thought was a really great deal, and a couple of them are really dusty because I haven't washed them yet. But I found 3 of these spatulas, and these were from Threshold, and they were originally $4.99 each. And it's just a nice little silicone spatula. I'll show you one that's not in the plastic. This one's a little dusty, but it's a really, really nice quality, really sturdy silicone spatula. The handle is just pure quality, and again, it was originally $4.99, but I got it for just 33 cents, so I'm really happy about that. Birdy and I are using these all the time. We're using them when we make eggs and we want to get the little last bit out the mixing cup. When we're baking, we're using these. You guys know how it is. These really come in handy, and I love how sturdy they are. But anyways, you guys, that's it for me. I have a mess. All I have is empty bags, and I just have to say that I am so pleased with my finds from Dollar Tree this week. The new stationery, the new stickers, the stamps. I can't believe it, you guys. The notebooks, everything is so cute, and it is so nice going to Dollar Tree and just spending $1 per item compared to going elsewhere and spending $3 and $4 for a pack of stickers. If that's the case, I wouldn't be buying much. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this super cute haul. I am just staring down at everything and so looking forward to using these items and sharing these items. You guys, I just love surrounding myself with cute and pretty things they just really make me smile, and I love sharing them with my friends and family as well. Well, hey you guys, all I have left is empty bags, and you know what that means. That means we made it to the end of yet another Dollar Tree haul. So if you guys enjoyed this haul, I hope you'll show me some love by hitting the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!